Welcome. In this tutorial I will show you everything about the home screen. The home screen is your control center from where new documents, stories, tables and libraries can be created, and existing templates, documents or libraries can be opened. The home screen is divided into the New, Recent, Open, Libraries, Help, Manual, MarkStein Publishing and Quit windows. New. If you wish to create a new document, then click on the New button to switch to the new window. You can use the pre-installed templates, which can be selected via this window. User-defined templates that you have created are also displayed here. Recent. The list of recently opened documents and recently placed images is displayed in this window. Information on the selected document is displayed in the inspector window on the right-hand side. Open. In order to open an existing file from the file system, click on the Open button on the home screen. Libraries. All recurring page and document elements can be saved in a library. Within a library, the objects are stored in folders. Multiple libraries can be created. When creating a new document, the contents of the selected library are transferred to the library of the document. Help opens the online help of the publisher. Manual opens the manual of the publisher software. MarkStein Publishing opens the home page of MarkStein Publishing. Quit to closes the publisher. At the top you will find the horizontal standard menu. On the right-hand side are the inspectors, which tell you all details about the currently selected object. In the lower bar of the publisher you will find the filter function on the left. And on the right the size setting for the file preview. And the choice between detail view and file preview.